Richard Williams here from Continental. It's great to see you. Thanks for tuning in and sparing your time today. And welcome to another episode of Dollars, Dirhams are to Financial Sense. Great to see you. And I'm sitting here in our head office for Continental in beautiful sunny Dubai, which thankfully is starting to cool down a little bit. And I'm joined by my dear friend of 27 years, founder and managing director of Continental, Mr. Ashok Sadana.
Hi Richard, how are you?
I am very well. I've had a busy couple of weeks running around, seeing our partners and beating the drum and talking to them, and it's been fantastic. And I don't think I've had a bad meeting. They've all been very, very good. So had a fantastic time and heading back to the UK on Friday to see Claire and the kids. Everyone, today we're going to be talking about a unique solution, and I've got my thoughts about it, but I want to see what Ashok's got to say about it. And we're talking about the Omnicare 3 plan specifically. In fact, what I'll just ask you, Ashok, what are your key aspects or your key takeaways? What was your light bulb moment when you came across this plan? Because I've got a few.
When we came across the solution, I think the biggest or my biggest aha moment was guaranteed up to age 100, pays multiple times. Unfortunately, if the client is diagnosed with heart attack, we pay, and then with cancer, stroke, over the life of the policy 100 years. He contributes the premium for 10-15 years and is guaranteed, no ifs and buts.
Yeah.
Also, they pay for angioplasty, pacemaker, and stent. Yeah.
I mean, what struck me about it is this multi-claim.
Absolutely.
So many plans out there. You make a claim, whether it's breast cancer or whatever it may be, and that's it. The plan finishes, isn't it?
Yeah. The biggest challenge is that the client, after being diagnosed, most of the time he cannot buy further insurance.
Yeah.
But here he knows that his insurance will continue still till age 100, and should there be multiple claims, and which is probably going to happen.
Yeah, I mean, I can't think of anything worse than getting cancer, thankfully getting the financial payout, and then once that money's run out, you're uninsurable, but financially you're very vulnerable. And if you've got young children or obligations or a family to deal with or your business to deal with, that was my light bulb moment. Multi-claim, and also I've noticed a lot of these plans finish when you need them the most, which is in later life.
This plan is guaranteed to run up to age 100.
Yeah, which is fantastic. And in terms of the protection component, we've discussed already that we've got multi-claims and you've got guarantees in place until you're 100. There's a growth element as well, isn't there?
Yeah. First is in case something happens during the first 10 years, the claim amount is there's an additional 50%. Plus, including the bonuses, etc., the face amount continues to increase. Should the client be fortunate and nothing happens, then he'll get the premiums that he's contributed plus the growth at maturity, or should he choose to withdraw anytime later in the later years of the policy.
And then am I right in saying you don't actually need, as an advisor or even a client, you don't need to select funds and panic and rebalance and swap and change and lose sleep. You can go back to sleep knowing that
you can go back to sleep.
You can just leave it to run.
You can go back to sleep only for 8 hours. You have to wake up next morning.
Yeah, exactly. One thing that I've not done before and is talk about the benefits of such a plan for insuring children. I'd really welcome your thoughts as to why would you insure a child that's only just come into this world against something terrible happening? And I'm sure our partners would welcome your thoughts on that.
Richard, first of all, even the children are prone to these critical illnesses. We have come across, I have personally come across where children unfortunately have been diagnosed. The reason for owning these policies for children as a parent or for the children, first of all, the premiums are small. They guaranteed insurance up to age 100. And I believe, this is what I tell my clients, during your lifetime you have secured their future. You're going to contribute the premium for 10-15 years. By the time the premium payment term is over, the child is secure for the rest of his life. It's a small premium. You must take it for children.
So in terms of creating a legacy.
Creating a legacy for children, yeah.
Fantastic. So in short, we're on the 9th floor here in our office. But let's say we're on the 30th floor.
Yeah.
What would be your 30-second elevator pitch for Omnicare 3? Because it is, as far as I've seen in the market, and I've been 37 years, I've never seen anything like this, which is why I'm quite excited about it, as are our partners that I've been presenting to for the last 2 weeks. So what is your elevator pitch as we close off?
That's a good question, Richard. Probably I'll need, instead of 37 floors, I'll decline to maybe 100 floors. No, I think if you believe in the solution, when I go to the client, I believe, I've done the same policy for my grandkids. When you believe in the solution that you offer, Mr. Prospect, Mr. Client, let me provide you a solution for your children where they will remember you for the rest of their lives. Provide something. It's a small premium, it's not big. Create a legacy for your children, create a legacy for your grandchildren is the best thing that we can do.
Yeah. And then lastly, before I let you go, when I speak to people and they're stepping out of their comfort zone from other things they may have been talking about, there are obviously different forms and different formalities and different procedures. I think it's fair to say we've got a very set religious schedule of the processes that are involved, and that's driven by our team.
Yeah.
What would you say, in a nutshell, encapsulates the support our partners can get working with our team to help them get these cases over, to nurture them so that our clients, or their clients I should say, get the cover they want quickly and efficiently?
Just go and talk to the clients, get the information, give us the information, and we'll do the rest.
Brilliant.
Absolutely. We'll help you complete the application form. God forbid, in case there's a claim, we'll help you to process the claim. We are there to support you. We're there to support you so that you can expand your business. Concentrate on meeting with your clients, concentrate on growing your business, leave the rest to us.
So pain-free solutions.
Absolutely.
For financials and also for the preparation to get the cover in place.
Absolutely, yeah.
Fantastic. Ashok, it's always a pleasure to come to Dubai. Thank you so much for a very warm welcome in the office today. And we always gleam and benefit from your wisdom. Thank you.
Always. Thank you, Richard.
Thank you.
Thank you.